Welcome back to another 2-minute tech tip or less of things that you'll love. Today I'm going to show you how to get free slides for Google Slides. So let's say that your Google Slides are just kind of plain and you want something a little bit more interactive. If you head over to Slidesmania.com, you can look at all of their templates. They have excuse me, in different categories at the top here. You can go down and see kind of what's trending right now. It looks like a lot of Valentine's stuff. And so let's say that I wanted something, I'm gonna go here and do calm colors. Maybe it's my morning slide when students come into class. And let's see, there's different templates. So this one's like the fair, this one's travel. I kind of like this one. It's not really calm, but I can kind of change it to what I like. So I'm going to click on this one. And once it loads, you can skip all of this information here and scroll down to open in Google Slides or download PowerPoint. So I'm going to do open in Google Slides. You will be able to see a template of it. So this is the template, all the stuff that you get. I'm going to use template. And then it automatically puts it right into a Google slideshow for me. I can go in and take out any of this that I don't want. The only thing I can't really change is the patterns on each slide. At the very end, they have different characters that you can use, and then making sure to give credit where it's due. Have fun with this. Maybe you can use a new design for the new semester. Good luck.